Hi there, tutorial on Visual Basic 2010 Express. Today I will show you how we use it. There will be no code part here or something like this, so don't worry, this is just intro to Visual Basic. I will show you most useful stuff and you will get the grasp how to use it. So to create a new project, we go to File, New, but also we can do this one. So new project, we have depend on how you like it, and we will mostly program on Windows Form application. You can program on any of those, but we will use this one as to do with the objects and stuff like this. This box is for the name of the project. So for example, something like this. We click OK, and we have our project. This is our main form, and where our elements will be placed. This is the toolbox that we have. Everything will be inside in here. So pointer, button, checkbox, button looks like this. We can draw it if you want to draw, or you can just select it, drag it here, and just release the button, and it will be also shown. It will be working. So the most elements we will use, the most relevant to these tutorials, will be buttons, checkboxes, combo boxes. We'll use labels, maybe list boxes probably too, picture boxes that later on, radio boxes, and we will use text boxes, that's for sure. Probably something else we will use, but that will be actually later on. There's a panels and stuff like this, charts. You can also have videos there and stuff like this. So yeah, those are the basic one we will use. Those are the most basic, common, as you can see, common controls. We will use mostly this one. The rest will be just left. So this is the toolbox. This is the form. This is the Solution Explorer. And here you will find your project, your project name, your form name, also the properties. This is your best friend, actually. Properties, you can find anything that is about the specific project, specific object. So for example, form, also we have properties. You can set the for color, font, is it enable, cursor default, you can change the cursor, the text, this is that title. So for example, I can change it and it will change. The starting point, I always choose to have it on the center of the screen. So this one I will run this. Yeah, so it will go out like this. Also icons, stuff like this, resize it. You can resize it here, but you can also do something like this, so there is no need to do it. If you need to be specific, then you can use this, for example 200 by, I don't know, 100. It's hard to do it like this, but if you just put those values in here, 200 and 100, then it will be faster. But that's only if you need to be specific. That's the name of the form. Not this is the. It's not the name. This is a just the text that the name. Like it's not name. It's actually it's text of it. So it's just the. It's just the title of it. So this one is the name of it. Okay, so if I put, for example, a button here, you can't see the code, and they have two options. You can right click it on it and view code. You can do any other things like properties, which you have here. You can cut, copy, select from, and stuff like this. But you can also click twice on it and you will see the code. What the best thing about this is that Visual Basic will create function for us, so we don't need to write this every time or something like this. We don't need to write this at all. We just need to write the code for it. So this one will be created for each tool we use, and the code will be between them, between add sub and private sub here. We can use if statement and stuff like this. It's everything will be explained in future tutorials. So that's the simple one. Also variables will be described later on. You can change the name of the form and stuff like this. It's just an intro to show you how we use it. This is the bugging button. This is stop debugging, step into, step over. This is for debug, the debug buttons to debug program. Helps you step into and stuff like this. Rest of them is irrelevant to our tutorial thing. Find, save all, or save just the form, add new item and stuff like this. So this is actually it, because it's an intro just to show you how we use it. I will also give you well, because this program is free, you can download it from Microsoft webpage for free, and then you just get the registry key also for free. You just need to register on the webpage and that's it. They will give you a key for free. So this program is entirely for free. You don't need to pay anything for it. Same is with Visual Basic, Visual C++, Visual C, Visual C#. You don't need to pay for them. If you buy whole studio, you need to pay for that, but for simple elements you don't need to. Okay, so I think that will be it. Visit my blog, visit my page to just, I don't know, maybe you will find any other tutorials that are interesting. There will be more tutorials on this one. This is just the intro. Also tutorials from Java and computer systems, so it's something like binary and hexadecimals. It's described in my blog. You can check my YouTube channel, it's BlastGoku, and so it's easy to find. You have lots of tutorials there, and I think that is it. See you next tutorial. Bye.